Hello students, how are you? I just wanted to make a quick video to tell you a little more about what your homework assignment is due on Monday, January 22nd. So the first thing that you're going to do is take a quiz on context clues. Now remember, this context clues is about what we talked about last week. If you were not here, you should have received the material for context clues. So you're going to use those techniques to take this quiz. You are going to go to the website https and then join.quizzes.com. It's going to take you to this page, and I'm going to enter the 6-digit code, which is 567570. I'm going to click. I'm going to type in my last name, comma, and first name, and I will join, and I will take the quiz. Just ignore that. Okay, your second assignment is to follow the instructions about the reading exercises. I would like for you to please follow these instructions because they are guidelines to help us improve our reading skills in this class. So I wanted to explain them to you a little more in detail. There are 5 steps, okay? 5 steps. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to skim, and skim means that I'm quickly looking. I'm quickly looking at my page. I'm not reading. I'm quickly just looking at the pictures. I'm going to look at the headings. So this doesn't have any headings, but I'm going to look at, for example, this is a heading. Before you read, right? That's a heading. That's an example of a heading. And I'm going to look at all the pictures. So I have a picture here, and then I have a picture on page 3. I'm going to look at all my pictures. And I'm also going to look at the captions. The captions. What are captions? So the captions will always be under the picture. So you see, under the picture, I have a caption on the right, and then I have another caption right here. I'm going to look at all those, and I'm also going to look at text structure. What does that mean? So for example, in this page I see that I have 1, 2, 3 paragraphs. I just want to know, what kind of text am I reading? Does this have just tables and charts, or is it all writing? So I just see paragraphs, and I see that at the top, I have my first 4 words in bold. I'm just going to observe, what does this page look like? And I'm also going to look at the words in bold. In your book, the words in bold will be in red. So I see devote. What else do we see? I don't have anything there. On page 5, I have all of my words in red. And this is actually the vocabulary we have been reviewing. Okay? Next thing that I want you to do is, now that you have seen the pictures and you have seen the bold words, I want you to make predictions. To make a prediction means that you're going to think about the reading. What do you think the reading will be about? I look from the pictures, I saw pictures of people. So does it look like it's going to be a text about spiders? Or what do you think it looks like? It looks like different people are putting on makeup. So what could this text be about? It's important to make predictions because they're going to help you warm up warm up and start thinking about the vocabulary that you might see in this reading. Okay, so making predictions helps you warm up. Take a moment and think about what you think these pages are going to be about. All right, once you do that, you're going to go to the third step. And the third step is you're just going to read it one time, okay? And you're going to get a better idea about the text. Remember, please, it's not important to understand everything, okay? We want to get a general idea. It's not important to understand everything 100%. If you understand everything 100%, you should not be in intermediate high B, okay? So please do not stress out about understanding 100%, okay? You're not writing anything. You're just reading, okay? You're just reading. You will write in step 4. Step 4 tells me to be an active reader. So that means that I'm going to do actions. Now, I'm going to read and I'm going to circle unknown vocabulary, okay? In this part, I want you to use your pencil, your pen, your highlighter. Write all over your page. Write all over it, okay? And I also want you to use your context clues to help you figure out what could be the meaning of this word in this sentence, okay? We're trying to determine the meaning of unknown words. Remember that in this class, we do not use translators, and the purpose of learning context clues is to help you reduce your time with the dictionary. So please do not use a dictionary when you read. If you use a dictionary when you read, you will never finish reading. And it's also boring and you're going to feel really bad about not understanding. So please do not stress out about not understanding some of it. So when you're being an active reader, the second time, okay, you're going to go back. You're going to go back and you're going to read it a third time, maybe a fourth time, maybe a sixth time, seventh. You're just going to read it many times. And I promise you that every time you read, you will understand a little more. Now, in these next times, you're going to read and you're going to focus on areas that are unclear to you. Okay? You're going to focus on maybe paragraph 1, okay? Maybe you really don't understand this sentence. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to read it several times. But if I still don't understand it after several times, just leave it, okay? Don't get frustrated. Just step away from it. Step away from it and we can talk about it in class, or you can try looking at it again a couple of hours later, okay? Don't stress. What I want you to think about is just reading and practicing these steps. Please do not stress out when you are reading. Okay, so after you read page 3, 4, and 5, we're going to go to our third assignment. In the third assignment, you're going to complete the exercises, okay? Oh, sorry. First, you're going to go to page 2, which looks like this, and you're going to complete the before you read, yes? So all of this, exercise A and exercise B, okay? Exercise A and exercise B. Please understand you are not working on page 25 and 27, okay? It's the reading, okay? So page 3, 4, and 5, okay? Page 3, 4, and 5, not pages 25, 26, and 27, okay? That's just a little mistake. And then when you have finished reading, you will answer these reading comprehension questions. There are 7. Remember, we're not using our dictionary and we're never using our translator. Okay? Here, you have to find evidence. Okay? Find evidence. What do I mean? So, for example, let's look at number 5. So, number 5, okay? The question is, what determines the beauty of a Huli man in Papua New Guinea? Well, that means that imagine the answer is letter A, okay? Well, I need you to tell me where you found the answer. I need you to tell me, okay, I found the answer on line 81, okay? Line 81. Where is the answer? Where can I find the answer? For example, though, for number 3, it tells me, it says in line 17. All right, so if you can find the answer in a line, tell me what line. So I need you to tell me the line number for number 2 and number 5 and maybe number 6 or 7, okay? I need you to tell me where you found the answer. That's very, very important. Where is the answer? Line 1, line 41 through 45. Where can I find the answer? And that is it. So remember, this is all for Monday, January 22nd. If you have any questions, please ask me tomorrow, or you could also email me, okay? I will send you an email. I am in the middle of sending you an email, and with the same information. I just thought making a video would be a little more helpful. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time.